Are you planning a home improvement project? Sadly, we've all heard horror stories about crooked contractors who leave a client's home in shambles or run away with their money. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to minimize these risks and maximize the success of your project. I'm Kevin with Stage to Sell Realty in Jacksonville, and today we're sharing 7 mistakes to avoid when hiring a contractor. But first, if you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit the subscribe button for real estate news and advice. Now, let's dive in. The most common mistake we see our clients make is failing to get the required permits for the county they live in. If you want to sell a home, it's common for buyers to ask for permits or look them up on county records. Unpermitted work can derail a deal, but that's not the only mistake you should avoid when hiring a contractor. Here are other common missteps. First, skipping the research phase. Second, choosing based solely on price. Third, neglecting to confirm the credentials and insurance, or proceeding without a written agreement. You could also pay too much up front, and certainly ignoring red flags once a project is started. If you're planning a home improvement project, we can help. First, check out our blog post. There's a link in the caption. Then, reach out for a list of recommended contractors. We're also happy to help provide feedback on your project and how it could impact your home's value and resale potential. Thanks for watching. Let us know how we can help you with your upcoming project. And, as always, we are never too busy for any of your referrals.